So this question is a diagram question. We know that because of the diagram here. So let's read what it says and figure out how to answer this question. So it says the population of mosquitoes in a swamp is estimated over the course of 20 weeks as shown in the table. All right, so anytime I see a table, I definitely don't just glance at it and keep reading. I make sure I understand it before moving on. So it looks like my first column here is times in weeks. Looks like we're increasing by 5 weeks each time. And then my second column here is my population, which looks to be increasing by a factor of 10 each time, right? 100 times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000, times 10 and times 10 and so on, so forth. So this is like times 10 on this side, and this is like a plus 5 on that side. All right, so now the question says, which of the following best describes the relationship between time and the estimated population of mosquitoes during the 20 weeks? Well, it's definitely increasing, right? So the relationship is increasing, the time is increasing, the population is increasing. So I do see choice B that says decreasing, so that's going to be out. Also, because we're multiplying by 10, so linear usually means you have a slope, which means you have a consistent like rise over run. But that's definitely not what we have here. In fact, if I were to graph this, which comes to my mind as a possibility because I see this word linear, looks like I'd have my first point at 0, let's call that 100. So I'd have a point right here. But then my next point at 5 would be at 1,000, right? So if that's 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000 would be up here. And my next point would be way up here. And you can see that even if I call this 5, then I'd have to say that that's about 10. So it's like equidistant. To get to 10,000 will be way off the chart here. So this is not going to be like a line. This is going to be exponential. So this is definitely going to be choice C, which is exponential growth. Again, two of the answers that can be immediately crossed out are the decreasing linear and the exponential decay. Decay just means that it's going down or decreasing. We see that we're going up, right? The population increases. So our 50-50 here is between increasing linear and exponential growth, and hopefully the graph shows you why it's not linear, right? For linear, we expect a nice, smooth line with a consistent slope each time, and that's not the case here.